we are going to discuss the other genetic disorder of class 12. Right? Single gene mutation disorder. Single gene autosomal. We are discussing the autosomal genetic disorder. And today's topic is thalassemia. Thalassemia is also the genetic disorder, means it is transmitted from parent to the offspring, hereditary disorder. And thalassemia is the inherited disorder of the blood, or it is blood syndrome or blood disease. As we know that inside the RBC, hemoglobin is a respiratory pigment. And hemoglobin is a combination of two, heme, iron part, and globin is the protein part. It is a disorder of the defective gene of the protein part, globulin gene. This globulin is made up of peptide chain. And when the gene which control or which encoded with the synthesis of the chain of the globulin become mutant or defective. So there is abnormal synthesis, increased or decreased synthesis of globulin. Decreased synthesis of the chain of the globulin causes the anemia. So on this basis, there are the different types of thalassemia. Type number 1, depending upon the chain, alpha chain defect. The gene which controls the synthesis of the alpha chain of the globulin located on the chromosome number 16. And two genes are there, HBA1 gene, HBA2 gene, controlling normal synthesis. And these two genes have paired dually. The total number of alleles of these two genes 4. Now in case of one defective allele, the patient is carrier. If two defective alleles are there, the patient is sufferer. And in case of sufferer, there is no synthesis of the globulin chain alpha, and so there is a deficiency of hemoglobin causes the anemia. And sometimes there is a destruction of fetus inside the mother uterus, and this condition is called HYDROPS, Hydropus fetalis, FOETALIS. This is the first type, alpha chain. Now come to the second chain of the globulin, which also tells about the type of thalassemia, and this is beta chain. So I am writing beta thalassemia. The gene which controls the synthesis of the beta chain, HBB gene, located on the chromosome number 2. So I am writing chromosome 2. It synthesizes the synthesis of beta chain, and it has two alleles. When one allele is defective, the condition is called thalassemia minor. In case of thalassemia minor, the RBC number increases, minute RBC, but the hemoglobin count decreases, anemia. When two alleles defective, the condition is serious. It is called thalassemia major. And thalassemia major also describe the name of the scientist who discovered the thalassemia, Coley, COOLEY. Thalassemia major or Coley disease, which is a severe case of thalassemia, and it also allows the clinical effect transfusion dependent thalassemia. It requires blood transfusion, so it is called transfusion dependent thalassemia. And the last type, delta chain. This delta chain also governed by the HBB gene located on the chromosome number 2, and its deficiency, its less synthesis, also causes the anemia. So, the sickle cell anemia, which we discussed earlier, and this thalassemia, both are blood-related disorder. Both are related to the globulin, but there is a difference. Thalassemia is quantity, number is decreases. Sickle cell anemia is quality. Here the amino acid, glutamic acid, which is present on the 6th position of the beta chain, is replaced by the valine. So the RBC become sickle cell. One is quantity, other is quality. So today we finish the thalassemia of class 12. Any problem? I am here to solve.
No, ma'am.
So on the next time we go to the next genetic disorder. Okay.